Hello everyone, welcome to English with Pranav. The students who are going to appear at their final examination this year, there is a message from your Pranav sir. Please watch this video till the end. This will really help you increase your marks. Number one, do set practice. Means try to solve the previous year sample papers. That will help you manage your time. That will give you an idea how the questions are coming. Number third, you can also practice or revise all the chapters taught to you by your teachers. In English, you can do one more thing. For the whole year, the stories which you read, there is high chance that some of the stories within the span of 6 months or 7 months or 8 months, you start to forget the story. So before 1 week of the main final examination, board examination, you can say, try to go through the stories once again. In this way, you will learn all those topics taught currently, and that will help you answer the questions of the examination. Dear students, in English I can help you a little bit more. Suppose for class 10th and 12th, any English question paper has come. So for the proper time management, I would say please solve one sample paper of English every day. And most importantly, try to see the solution of that. If you do that, there is high chance that so many previous year questions are repeated often. Number two, so many students were saying, sir, what about writing section? Then please remember for 12th and 10th also, letters are very important. And particularly formal letters like placing order letter is very important. Letter to editor is very important. Complaint letter is very important. And inquiry letter is also important. And most importantly, dear, format. If you adhere to the format, like in formal letter, what happens at the top of the left side, you give what? Sender's address, then date, then receiver's address, then subject, then salutation. After that, you start writing. Do you know your marks are given on the basis of F, C, and E in letter? F means format. Suppose the whole letter is of 5 marks, then on format you will be given, suppose, 1 mark. F, C, E. C means content, means what you are writing inside that letter. You will be given 2 marks for that. And E means expression, how you are writing the sentences. Are you writing grammatically correct sentences? These all things are touched. Letter writing and analytical paragraph can also come. You can also comment me in the comment section what are the topics which I have to discuss in the video. I just promise you that I'll try to follow your suggestions. Number third, which you can do for your board examination is in passage. Try to solve as many passages as you can, because teachers will not give you the passage in the class and he will just solve all the questions. Because most importantly, what happens, all the students don't bring a common sample paper. So you will have to practice the passage questions and see the solution. You will get to understand. You can also keep one dictionary. Now coming to the next point, in literature, how should you read? As earlier I said, go through the stories once again. That will help you remember all the stories at the main time, at the 11th hour of your examination. And basically it happens that whatever you remember, the same thing comes in your examination at the main time, whatever you study. Okay, so these were the tips for English, but I would say for all the subjects you can follow sample paper practice. That will really help you, and revise all the chapters taught to you. And wish you all the best for your board examination. Do something great in your life and just be relaxed. And one more thing, some students were saying, sir, which time is better to study, in the daytime or at late night? Then I would say, study at whatever time you are comfortable. Means you are if you are comfortable at night time, please study till late night, no problem. If you are comfortable in the morning time, you can also study in the morning time, but I would suggest morning time is better than night time for studying, because in the morning time your mind is fresh enough to acquire each and every point, and that will have an everlasting impression. Thank you so much. My dear students, wish you all the best for your board examination. Do something great. Thank you.